I was trying to finish up a video, but I had to stop because someone came to the door. And that led me to this business tip. And I like to be very direct because if you are starting a business or even doing a job, the bottom line is this is your livelihood. And if you don't take your livelihood seriously, don't expect a customer to take you seriously. So let me explain what just happened. This delivery sales rep, period. So the gentleman pulls up, he rings the doorbell, he has his delivery truck. It's all marketed up, it's all designed, it looks great. And he is with a company and he is selling meat. And I told him I don't need it, I don't want it, I don't matter of fact, I told him I was vegetarian, but I just am not eating meat right now because I'm on a diet. So legit. And I said, but you know what? I would like to pass it along because someone else here eats meat that would probably be interested in, doing that. I don't have a business card, he says. I said, you got to be kidding me. And he says, no, I don't have a business card. He says, or you could just write the number down off the side of the truck. I said, I don't have a pen on me to write it down and give me a call. I said, but why should I work hard to reach in my pocket and give you my money? He says, that's on you. I said, no, it's your livelihood. He says, if I really wanted the meat, I would write down his number and call him and place an order. And I said, why should I? He says, that's on you. The first line of a sale is building trust with the customer. Customers buy from people they know, people they are comfortable with, people they're familiar with, people that they feel they can trust. That's who buys from you. Even though your product or service may be exactly what they need, if there's anything about your image, your website, your wording, your approach, your vibe, anything about it that kind of disrupts that ease, your customer, your paying customer, is going to spend their money somewhere else. If you're going to be in business and this is your livelihood, you need to take it more seriously because all he needed was a business card. That's your tool. That is your selling tool. Even if I didn't answer the door, for your effort of running around the neighborhood and stopping door to door, you should be able to leave your business card even if no one's home. If someone's home and doesn't want your product but says, I know somebody that does, you should be able to give me a business card to pass it along. But somehow, new entrepreneurs, inexperienced entrepreneurs, really believe that it is the paying customer's responsibility to do the work and jump through the hoops and make all the effort to come and give you my money. You're not going to succeed with that thinking. You're not going to succeed with that mindset. You're not, because that tells me he's unprofessional. That tells me that I may not get the best quality product or service, whatever he's selling. That tells me he doesn't give a damn enough about his business and the money he makes, so he can't possibly care about me on the paying end. Your image and your approach and your professionalism is key to your success. All of these things work hand in hand to build a successful business. And that is one of the many ways that new businesses fail. Just wanted to share that tip, and I want to make sure that you don't make that same mistake.